One World, One Prayer. It's a song that has been on the Paramount building projecting and sending messages to the world of unity and love. One World, One Prayer, a song that I wrote for the Wailers, that is Bob Marley's band, because I always have in my mind all this thing about, how people should consider everybody equal. A celebration and a way of hope, unity, from what Paramount is doing, sending such an incredible message every night. We're all the same, and something this with a lot of flags from all over the world, it cannot get better than that. For me, it's an honor. We're so happy.